New at noon, with rates of anxiety, depression, and the struggle to cope with life's stressors increasing daily, mental health awareness and intervention have never been more critical. That's why the Mississippi Department of Mental Health is partnering with the Mississippi University of Women Counseling Center to provide a two-day workshop. And joining us live to tell us more about the event is LaBethany May with the Mississippi Department of Mental Health. How are you doing, Miss LaBethany?
Great. Thank you so much for having me.
And thank you for joining us today. So tell us a little bit about the partnership between the Mississippi Department of Mental Health and the W.
Absolutely. So, Kimberly Davis with the W reached out and just wanting to assist faculty and students with bringing some mental health awareness to the campus. And so we will be there this week to provide mental health first aid, which is an evidence-based training that teaches noticing skills and how do we observe signs and symptoms within ourselves and others, of course, to really combat a lot of these rising statistics that we have within our communities.
And when it comes to the mental health first aid kit, tell us a little bit about that. This is the first time I'm hearing of it.
Absolutely. So DMH, we have a mental health awareness and training grant awarded from SAMHSA. We got it in 2021. So with this grant, we are able to provide mental health first aid, and we're able to provide it to adults. We're able to provide it for youth, which are adults that work with youth. And then we're also able to provide it for public safety. So we like to think of mental health first aid as like CPR for mental health, but it's not something that we can only use in crisis situations. We can use it proactively as well, which is why we really want to get this training out to really prevent a lot of these situations and crises from happening.
Now, when it comes to the two-day workshop, of course, we already have the information up there. Tell us, do people have to register for this, or is this free?
It is a free training. We do like for you to register just because we do have a maximum amount of individuals that we can have in the training, but it is free and available to the public.
Okay, and what is your hope when it comes to this two-day workshop? What is your hope for the people who may be struggling with mental health and are afraid of saying anything?
Absolutely. I would say that my biggest hope is to provide resources and reassurance. One of the biggest issues that we've noticed since traveling the state to provide this training is many people are unaware of what they have in their local area. And so along with the training, we're going to talk about some of the resources that are going to be available within the Columbus and Tupelo area.
All right, then. Well, thank you so much there.